Today we're addressing a frustrating problem, Roblox not working. Whether it's server downtime or issues accessing the website, I'm here to help you troubleshoot, so let's jump right in. First, let's see if the problem is on Roblox end. Server issues can affect everyone and it's always good to check. Open your browser and go to the official Roblox server issues. Go to status.roblox.com. This page shows if there are ongoing outages or issues. You can also check Roblox official Twitter account for real-time updates. If they're experiencing server issues, they'll usually post about it there. Now, if the servers are up and running, the next step is to restart your device. If you're on a computer or console, simply restart it. This can clear up temporary issues. For mobile users, turn off your phone and on again. Next, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Open a web browser and try visiting any other website to see if your internet is connecting. Now, if your connection seems slow or unstable, try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds and plugging it back in. Now, for mobile and console users, keeping the app updated is crucial. Open your app store and search for Roblox. Now, if there's an update available, tap Update. If all else fail, simply uninstall and then reinstall Roblox application. And that's it. You should now have a better idea of how to fix Roblox when it's not working. Always check the server status first and make sure your internet connection is stable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.